dear friends, welcome to Top Education. In this session, guys, we are learning the summary of Gentleman of the Jungle, which is written by Jomo Kenyatta. So, guys, basically, the story is related to the discrimination done by Europeans to the African people because they are black in color and they are discriminated, they are being pulled down each and every time. So this story is indirectly connecting with these scenarios, which is called the discrimination between the African people, done by whom? The European peoples. So guys, before starting up with the summary, I would like to request you all guys to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all the notification regarding this English summaries. We have covered all the summaries. Just go to the playlist and check out. Let's begin with the summary. So guys, in this summary, we see an elephant, a hut, a man, and many of animals. For example, rhinoceros, leopard, and so on. Lion, the king of jungle, and so on. The animals are living in the jungle. Once what happened here is, there was a heavy rain. An elephant asked the help of the men. The human being, he asked, please, can I put my trunk inside your hut? Because the outside it is very heavy rain. The human being, the man told, yes, sure, you can. And so the elephant did. Now what happened here is the elephant slowly started to occupy the hut of the men. He started to occupy the hut of the men slowly. And he pushed out the men out of the hut, and he occupied whole hut. The man was out of the hut and he was suffering from a heavy rainfall. So by this scenario, the men, the human being, thought like, yes, now I have to complain to the king of the jungle. And there was a big argument going on between the men and elephant. This hut is mine, this hut is mine. The argument is going on, and then suddenly the king of the jungle, lion, comes there and said, you are destroying my peace. You are destroying my peace of jungle. You have to maintain something discipline, because the argument went on very harsh. The sound was too louder. So the king of the jungle, lion, came in the scenario and said, just keep quiet. Then a commission was set up. Yes, basically a small commission was set up, and in that commission, all animals were the members. All the animals were the members of the commission. For example, rhinoceros, leopard, monkey, and we can say the elephant. Yes, elephant also was a member of that committee. So the men thought, there will be a great discrimination between me because there is no man in the commission. So the man thought, yes, they will, of course, the judgment will go under the elephant. But what the lion, the king of the jungle, said him that there will be no discrimination between you and elephant. Here all are treated equally. This statement was told by whom? The lion. Now what happened here is the commission was set up. Everyone had been sitting in the committee and the discussion was started regarding this. Here the elephant had narrated a fake story Let's know the fake story which was presented by elephant in that committee. The elephant told him there was a heavy rain and the man was unsecure. He told to elephant to save his hut from the hurricane. Hurricane means there was a huge rainfall that day. So the elephant agreed and started to save his hut. So in that scenario, the hut was captured by elephant because he saved what? The hut from the hurricane. But what was the actual story? That there was a heavy rain outside. Elephant was sitting outside. He asked the permission to the man, please can I put my trunk inside your hut? The man agreed. This was a true story, but here in the committee, the elephant narrated a fake story. So this was all happened, and then finally the judgment was under elephant, and the man was told to build a new hut. That's it. The old hut was in the hand of elephant. Now the man has to build a new hut. So he built again. The leopard, again rhinoceros have occupied those huts, and the decision was wrong. The man was very angry on these animals because every time the judgment was under the consideration of animals. The human being, the man, was very angry. He got an idea. Now he built a huge hut where all the animals can occupy it. Where all the animals can occupy the hut. Now he built a huge hut. It was a very big hut in the middle of jungle. Then all the people started to occupy that big hut. Now what the man did is he fired. When all the animals were inside the big hut, he fired it and all the animals died. Here guys, in this lesson they have been explaining that the man was an African man. Yes, he is discriminated each and every time. But the Europeans are placed by the animals. So they are doing what? They are not giving proper equality for both the men and animal. So in this scenario, when it is not able to control all the rights, all the advantages are near to someone, then we are not able to come over. They will just push it up down. They will just pull you down. Yes. So this scenario, if you write this summary on your any question, there may be asked any question, you just write this story or this answer or the summary. It should be of 2 pages, one side, 2 side. Then of course you will get out marks. It may be a 4 marks or it may be for 6 marks. You can write this whole summary for the question which been asked for this lesson. And also guys, for 2 marks you should follow something. I will just share you a study material which will include 2 mark important questions also. So just refer those things. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you have anything related to this chapter, then just ask me in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like, then please subscribe our channel Top Education. Thank you.